Hopefully, you are always healthy and happy. Don't forget to press the red subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Control plus Shift plus equals to insert columns and rows. Now you notice that a new column is added. Control plus dash to delete the selected row or column. Now you notice that the row is deleted. Alt plus O plus R plus E to open the row height window. Specify height now. Now you notice that row height is changed. Alt plus O plus C plus W to open the row width window. Specify width. Now you notice that row width is changed. Control plus Shift plus and to place borders around the selected cells. Now you notice that cell has a border line. Control plus Shift plus underscore to remove a border. Now you notice that the border has been removed. Shift plus left arrow to extend the cell selection to the left. Notice that it is selecting the cells on left. Alt plus H to select the field color. Notice that the cell color is changing. Alt plus H plus B to add a bottom border. Notice that a border has been added. You can select multiple from available options. Control plus H to open Find and Replace dialog box. Notice that Open is being replaced with Opens. F2 to edit moves the pointer to the end of the contents of the active cell. You can type anything now. Shift plus F2 to add or edit a cell comment. You can enter comment or edit a comment. One click to select all. On the top left corner, click to select entire worksheet. Now you notice that the entire worksheet is selected. Open Excel files in bulk. Click on in Excel, hold the Control button and select multiple, press Enter when done. You can see that multiple Excel windows are open now. Create a new shortcut menu. Go to File and then Options. Select Quick Access toolbar on left. Select Cut and Copy, then click on Add. Select OK. Now you notice a new shortcut menu appeared. F5 displays the Go to dialog box. You can go to desired cell by typing the location. Notice that cell B23 is highlighted now. F7 displays the spelling dialog box. You can make correction, ignore or add the words to Ms. Dictionary. F12 brings up the Save As dialog box. Same document can be saved with a different name. Ctrl+Shift+At to apply time formatting. Notice that time format is changed. Ctrl+Shift+$sign to apply the currency formatting. Notice that currency symbol is added. Ctrl+Shift+#sign to apply date formatting. Notice that the date format is applied. Ctrl+Shift+% to apply percentage formatting. Notice that values are added with percent symbol. Ctrl+Shift+greater than to have the same value as left column. Notice that the same text replaces it to next cell. Ctrl+W to close only the workbook. Only the Excel worksheet closes. Alt+F4 to close the entire Excel. Complete Excel application is closed now. Always share the good thing.